Hi, I'm Mrs. Tolf, and I'm going to teach you how to play the cup guessing game. It's kind of like the shell game. All you need is 4 or 5 cups, or however many you'd like. Write something on them, like math equations. It could be sight words, numbers, letters, whatever you'd like to learn. And then you also need something to hide underneath the cup. I chose this cute little fox, but you can also use a snack as well. And then maybe if you guess what's under the cup or guess the right word, you can also eat a snack. So whatever you'd like, here we go. The first thing you'll do is you're gonna go ahead and have someone hide something under one of the cups, and then someone else, your partner, can go ahead and try guessing to see if they can find it. So I'm the partner, so I'm gonna guess the word what. Oh, not under there. How about then? Yay, I found it. So I get to eat it. And then you continue playing or trade partners. Have fun. And if you don't have a partner but still want to play, all you have to do is just put something under a cup and then start mixing them up in any order and then try guessing. Have fun playing the cup guessing game.